topic I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to be talking about a Hawaiian healing technique called as Ho'oponopono. Okay. And since I also did my MBA, so I have a small PPT for you guys, which is not a very detailed one, but yeah, it gives you a basic idea about this technique. Now, this technique, a lot of people use it, and it's very important to know how to actually pronounce it. A lot of people say Ho'oponopono. It's Ho'oponopono. Now, what is Ho'oponopono? It's a very ancient healing practice, Hawaiian practice. In terms of the literal meaning of Ho'oponopono, is basically to put things right, to put it in order or shape, correct, tidy up, make orderly or neat. So basically, this is about pono. Ho is just a verb which is attached to it, as per the Hawaiian dictionary. So there is a double pono. So that means it has to be doubly right. And it also means mental cleansing through prayer. Now, there were a very few Kahuna Lapua healers in Hawaii who were practicing this, and they had a very different script. It was something like a hypnotherapy or a pranic healing or an axis bar healing, those different modalities we have. So this was probably one of them. But in 1976, a female named Murna Nalamuka Simeona made it in a converted this whole healing practice in such a different manner, so that it gave the opportunity for individuals like you, me, and everybody to practice this Ho'oponopono technique without the healer. So in a lot of healings, even the other healing modalities we are aware of, there is a healer. This is one of the very few practices in the world where you are the healer. You don't need an external healer. One of the disciples of Murna Nalamuka, Dr. Ihilaki Kala Hulen, he was Dr. Hugh Len, he was referred to as. His name was a bit confusing for me as well. There was a mental state hospital wing in Hawaii, wherein they used to put all the prisoners, all the rapists, the dacoits, and all kinds of nasty people. And the atmosphere in the hospital was so bad that koi bhi staff member zyada der tikta nahi tha, and the patients were so aggressive that they had to be sedated most of the times. And they had such a high turnover in terms of their nurses, staff, doctors, the psychotherapists and everything. So then finally, Dr. Hewlin, I think in 1983, took this responsibility that I will come and I will join, but I will use my way of healing. And he was using the healing of Ho'oponopono. And he said, I will not meet any patient. They said, okay, let's give it a try. He came, he met everybody, staff members he had around. And he said, just give me a quiet office and nobody disturbs me. In his 4-year duration, he never went inside the ward, never met any patient, used to only interact with a few staff members. And firstly, he got a very clear impression that the staff is also very negative. He used to call for just the files of the patient in his office, sit and only practice this powerful Ho'oponopono technique, which is just chanting 4 lines. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Over and over again. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. That's all what he did. Within the next 4 or 5 months, there were improvements. Staff wanted to be there. They were reporting to duty on time. There were less absenteeism. Patients were getting cured. As per his own words, it took him 4 years to clean with Ho'oponopono technique, and everybody was healed. After 4 years, that particular division was closed because everybody was healed. Now, what is so powerful in these 4 words? I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. That's all what he did. That's all what Ho'oponopono is. You know, his concept or Ho'oponopono concept is a very simple concept wherein you say that I am responsible for all the events that are happening around me. I take 100% responsibility. So when Dr. Hewlin went to the hospital, he was not working with the patients. He was just calling their file. He was working with himself because he said, I am responsible. There is something inside me that is responsible for this healing. So he started cleaning himself. And he began continuously cleaning because the Ho'oponopono believes in total unity. Everything around you, you are responsible. So when you're saying, I love you, you are responsible. When you're saying you're sorry, you're telling the divine, the Almighty, I am sorry. You have that feeling of repentance, I am sorry. I take 100% responsibility. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I want your forgiveness, your Almighty. And I really thank you. I thank you, Almighty, and I love you. That's all. It's all about these 4 lines. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. It can be in any order, doesn't matter. But you are doing it to yourself. You're cleaning yourself. Because you are 100% responsible for everything, each and everything happening around you, you are responsible. And this is one of the most powerful techniques where you do not need a healer. You are the healer. All you have to do is just clean yourself. You know, in relationships, it's actually very important. Somehow, I also feel that. So, when we are working with any particular relationship, a lot of people say, because I had also heard that, you can use it in this particular manner, but somehow it's there. But generally, you are just working on yourself. So if you want to be more focused in terms of yourself, like my name is Arjun Soni. So I will go, Ho'oponopono Arjun Soni. I am sorry, Arjun Soni. Please forgive me, Arjun Soni. I love you, Arjun Soni. Thank you, Arjun Soni, for releasing me. This is one of the more focused ones. But yeah, if not there, but then definitely the basic line which says, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. It's as simple as that. Yeah.